Hello, I thought I'd do a quick video on this engine. It's a Briggs and Stratton petrol engine 675EX series ready stock 190cc engine. How does the automatic choke work on these? So there's the lever here, the main arm ring, and you've got the lever here by the exhaust over there. The correct way is this way. So what happens, that's on choke. When it warms up, then that comes off, then it would run normal. So the choke is on at the moment, ready to start. When that warms up, then that would let the choke off this lever here. So at the moment it's on choke, and how do you set it up? This got to be that side and this got to be that side, and that's the correct way of doing it. Don't forget to put your O-ring in there, which is here, because you definitely need that. Now I'll put it on its side, so it's all bolted on now, so I'll show you how it works. So that lever on the exhaust, when it gets hot, then it changes like this. When it gets warm, then it would run. So that's how that system works. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.